In my web map, I have a single layer for QFES incidents. I've added this from ArcGIS Living Atlas, and I picked this layer for two reasons. The first, it doesn't belong to me, so I don't have any control over adding an additional field or changing any of the schema. And the second is it's quite a live layer, so these incidents will pop up and disappear from this web map frequently throughout the day. And I want to use this kind of as a way to sort of maybe jog some own ideas on how you might use this with your own internal feeds, like a work order feed or a vehicle positioning feed. There's some good attributes in this layer, all the usual ones you'd expect in an incident feed, the incident date, the status, the vehicles assigned, and so forth. But what it doesn't have in this case is a fire danger rating. And if I click this incident here, in the pop-up we can actually see that we've referenced a separate item altogether to pull through the four-day fire danger rating for today and the next 3 days. We've done that by literally pulling it from a completely separate item. So if we click this one at this point in time and I click, it goes off and fetches that fire danger rating for that underlying district that point falls within. And that's made possible by a bit of arcade, in this case in the pop-up. In this attribute expression, I've got this get fire danger rating. And what I've done here is, I could actually have the fire danger rating layer in the map itself, but to prove a point, I just wanted to sort of test, actually go off and get this by its item ID from ArcGIS Living Atlas and essentially loop through and get all of those fire danger ratings and return it as a text that then is just used to display essentially this bit of pop-up here. This web map is open and shared, so we can share this with you to replicate. But again, with your own feeds, doesn't quite make sense to the QFES incidents, but if it was people out in the field or work orders that are being scheduled over the next few days, these are the kind of things that you kind of really want to add to those types of data sets.